We're turning now to Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman for another check-in on our winter weather conditions and where the latest storm is right now.
Well, we're starting to see some of the shower activity pushing inland now. Take a look at the radar imagery and you'll be able to see the clouds increasing and some very spotty rain and snow showers pushing in to Curry County as well as in parts of Josephine County. A few snow showers, fairly light at this point and definitely not widespread, but there should be more development as we head through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Be sure to tune in to News Watch 12 this morning. Jeff will have the latest road conditions and have any forecast updates as this winter storm evolves. But right now, temperatures are cold, at or below freezing for most of our west side valleys. So as precipitation comes in, there's a better chance this will start off as snow in the morning hours before snow levels climb. I don't think we're going to see much for places like Medford and Grants Pass, maybe a dusting, but there is that potential that we could see some snowflakes. The bigger issues will be for lower passes and of course higher elevations where we will see some significant snowfall and accumulations in most cases. We'll show you those snow totals in a bit, but 23 in Mount Shasta, 15 in Doris, pretty cold in Northern California, but nothing compared to the east side. Some single digits, down to 6 now in Lakeview, 7 in Chemult, and it's 18 degrees in Klamath Falls. Winds are fairly light for the most part, starting to pick up a breeze near the coast. Winds will continue to increase overnight into tomorrow. We have high wind warnings for the coast, also for portions of the east side where gusts could be as high as 60 to 65 miles per hour with winds out of the south. We also have a wind advisory, especially tomorrow morning in the Rogue Valley. Southeast winds could be gusting as high as 45 miles per hour with some pretty gusty conditions for the east side, including the Basin. And so that's not great with snow and wind mixed together. That's going to really reduce visibilities and make travel even more difficult for tomorrow, especially through our higher terrain areas in the east side. So tonight, rain and snow showers continue to work on in, and with these colder temperatures, snow levels will be down around the valley floors. So likely starting off as maybe a wintry mix, some snow, changing over to rain for the Rogue Valley, but we do expect at least maybe a little bit of accumulation in the Cave Junction area, but lower passes will see some accumulating snow, higher totals as you head up in elevation. But definitely some impactful snow, especially through some of the higher terrain areas for tomorrow. Chilly, very windy as well around the region. Take a look at Stormcast into tomorrow morning. Heading off to work and school, we will have some scattered areas of snow. Heavier rain starts to move in along the coast. And then notice conditions really at their worst through midday and then into the afternoon. Some difficult travel conditions throughout Northern California, along the mountains and then the east side. As we head through Thursday, things will start to wind down a bit. But we do have winter storm warnings, of course, in the Mount Shasta area. You can get details on these winter storm warnings and these winter weather advisories on our website, kdrv.com. But this does include these winter weather advisories, lower passes, but then also along the Cascades and Siskiyous and the east side. Here's a look at snow mounts, 8 to 12 inches in Mount Shasta, 4 to 8 in Weed, some light totals for Wairika. We will see accumulating snow for the Basin. Expect the worst conditions to be through the afternoon. The Cascades, several inches of snow, likely over a foot up at Crater Lake. And then in the Rogue Valley, maybe a dusting at most for Grants Pass and Medford, but some of the lower passes will get some accumulating snow, 6 to 8 inches at the Siskiyou Summit. So your 7-day forecast, heavy rain for the coast on your Wednesday, showers lingering into Thursday. Northern California, very snowy tomorrow, difficult travel through I-5, but we will see some quieter weather by the end of the week. The Klamath Basin, accumulating snow, gusty winds, blowing snow will be a concern, especially in exposed areas. Also along the Cascades and Siskiyou, significant snowfall, gusty winds tomorrow, a break in the action on Friday, and then in the Rogue Valley, a bit wintry tomorrow, likely changing over to all rain though as we head into the afternoon, and then watching another storm system for this weekend.
Coming up, a bald eagle